Basically, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money online as a freelance writer. However, tips that I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video are based off of my personal experience and also how I earn money as a freelance writer online. So this is how you can go about. First, you need to come up with a list of services that you want to provide to others in terms of writing. So it could be a CV or resume, a business profile, a business proposal, a company profile, or even project proposal, or even a business proposal. In order for you to do that, you need to have a mobile phone or a laptop which is a reliable internet service, and then go to Google and type in outline or template for CVs, resumes, business profile, project proposals, and business plan, and etc. However, if you don't have enough time to search on Google, or for the sake of simplicity, you can use Canva to do up a design or format for your CVs, resumes, business proposal, business profile, project proposal, and business plan. Well, if you don't know what Canva is a ready-made platform that is designed to help you create many kinds of design, from logo designs to banners, posters, PowerPoint slides, and templates for newsletters, business profile, and etc. There are so many things that you can create on Canva. Please keep watching because I believe this video will help you. Or if you don't want to spend more time in creating the outline or the format, you can use ChatGPT to create or generate the format for you. So here is how you can do this. First, download the ChatGPT app or software in your mobile phone or computer. So after you have downloaded the ChatGPT application or software, you can now open the application and insert or write a convincing and engaging prompt about the template that you want. Using the same method, you can also create template for CVs, business profile, company profile, project proposal, business plan, and etc. So after you have created a template or format for each of those writing services that you are trying to provide to your customers or clients, the next thing to do is to find customers. That is where marketing comes in. So marketing is a process of promoting your products or services through the means of communication channels. It could be either online or offline. In terms of online marketing, some of the ways that you can promote your services online is through platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok. As well as in terms of promoting your services offline is through word of mouth, referral, or cold calling. So these are some of the ways that you can use to market and promote your services through offline and online. So if you are new and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updated with my latest videos like this one. So keep watching. So once you find your first customer or first few customers, you can go ahead and assist them by getting the information. Now, using those information which you have searched on Google or generated or created from Canva or on with ChatGPT, you can now use those formats to create your clients' documents. You have to communicate and assist them throughout the process by telling them about your services, your fee structure, your turnaround time, terms and conditions. So these are some of the things that you can discuss with your clients or first few clients. One thing to take note of is this: during the conversation process of part, it's always important for you to build trust and try to get to understand your customers. So that in this way, they'll be able to trust you and engage you in these services. In terms of pricing your services, there are three ways that you can do so. You can charge based on hourly rate, you can charge based on per project, or you can charge based on the cost. So that's basically few ways that you can charge your customers with. So that's basically about how you can make money online as a freelance writer. In my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can promote and market your writing services online to reach wider audiences in order to acquire more customers and generate more revenue for your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to comment below and like and subscribe for more content like this one. Thank you and see you in the next video.